Today we will talk about 5 ways to make money on the internet with ebooks. 𝗪𝘆𝘀 from Wine Learning Center welcomes you. It might be challenging to cut through the clutter of the numerous new internet business prospects accessible. Perhaps your startup budget is tight. Due to your existing job, which requires travel away from home, you could have little time to focus on your business at first. It's possible that you would prefer to run a stress-free, simple internet business. Selling ebooks may be the perfect choice for you if any of these apply to your scenario. Selling ebooks online helps countless people supplement their income or run a successful home-based business. A wide range of topics including cuisine, home design, and money-saving advice are covered in ebooks, which are readily available online. Because online credit card processing is available, buying them and downloading and reading them at one's convenience are both simple processes. The benefit of an ebook business is that you would not need to worry about maintaining inventory, incurring production fees, unless you spend your own time authoring one, or dealing with shipping issues. In this article, we will look at 5 ways to generate money online by selling ebooks. Number 1. Building a strong company while selling goods that you are passionate about is the key to success. Do you want to assist people in managing their money or assisting them in paying off debt? Promote financial ebooks. Are you a craft enthusiast? Market craft-related ebooks. A skilled fisherman, are you? Put together an ebook with fishing advice. You may earn money online while engaging in activities you genuinely enjoy doing, and the list is endless. You have 3 options for creating your ebooks: writing them yourself, hiring a writer, or joining forces with a business that gives you the right to market its ebooks. This will save you the time and hassle of writing your own ebooks if you utilize another company's. The ebooks you want to sell may also be yours to choose from. As a result, you will be able to present only those that you are interested in. Number 2. Go through the ebooks. Your familiarity with the goods you sell should be strong. If you don't actually write your own ebooks, make sure to read the ones you provide. As a result, you will be able to respond to customer inquiries, create persuasive sales presentations, and inform readers about the ebooks. You will also want to make sure that what you are giving is of the highest caliber, because it's much easier to market something you firmly believe in. Online income potential may be hampered if you blindly sell other people's ebooks without having read them. Number 3. Use numerous online resources to advertise ebooks. It's time to start marketing once you have chosen a few ebooks to offer. Starting any new internet business off well means having fantastic website and potential sales materials. Your promos would not work without these, because you would not be able to turn visitors into paying clients. A professional sales writer can write content for you if you are not a writer. When you start selling ebooks like hotcakes, it will be money well spent. A presentation should be prepared for each ebook you sell if you do so. In the search engines, this will increase your authority and enable you to more effectively target your audience. Start sending all of your web pages to the main search engines after creating a website. You can either Accomplish this manually yourself or through an SEO promotion firm. Next, search engines may have chances for pay-per-click advertising that will help you target your audience. Selecting the terms you want to target is made possible via pay-per-click advertising. Just when those specific keywords are utilized, your website will appear in the search results. Although most of your visitors will be selected with an interest in your products, you will only pay a little amount every click. Press releases, advertising in e-zines or newsletters, classifieds, auctions, and mails are additional efficient online advertising strategies. Number 4. Make add-on sales to ebook customers for their benefit. It is time for add-on after you start selling electronic ebooks and establish a customer base. Your ebooks may contain affiliate links that allow you to sell goods or services. Alternatively, you may provide returning consumers discounts on recently published ebooks. You might utilize the ebooks to build a customer base before offering other services if you wish to. Once that is done, you can describe your primary services. And number 5, educate others on how to sell ebooks. Training others to sell ebooks is another option to get income online through ebooks. To assist people in starting a new internet business, you can provide commissions or the opportunity to publish ebooks. You will gain benefits from assisting others in their online financial success. Ebooks are simpler to pass on for other people to sell as well as to buy for your own use. Comparing the sale of ebooks to the sale of actual goods or the provision of other services, many benefits are available. By automating your business so that it works for you, and by making ebooks available round the clock, you may save time and money. Start looking for ebook opportunities on the internet right now to get closer to your objectives. Thanks for listening, folks. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center. Subscribe to our channel, My Learning Center, on YouTube, and visit our website for quality ebooks, audio courses, HD video courses, and many more.